What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody out there is having a blessed day. Now, as you can see, I have a pair of gloves on for this video because the package that I have has been delivered from China. Oh my God! Now, I don't have any disinfectant spray at the moment, but I do have some Clorox wipes. So we go disinfect the box. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in here. All right, so now that I have the box open, we have a white box on the inside. And if you customize shoes, then you kind of already know where this is going. But we have a pair of Nike IDs, and on the tag it says Nike by you. I don't know if they stopped doing the pictures and the names on it because there was a pair of Air Max 90s that I just customized a couple months ago and mine came like that, but these evidently have not. And let me see if I can find that box. So this is the box that I was talking about. If you take a look right here, it shows Nike by Drayvon, and it shows a picture of the shoes that I created. And I customized these sometime last year, and I actually recorded a video for these, but I never uploaded it. So if you want to see that video, let me know in the comments below. But we have the Air Max 90 Denim Levi collaboration, and this by far is probably my favorite Nike ID that I've done up until this point. So hopefully they will put this option on the Air Max 1 because, as I've said multiple times, Air Max 1 is my favorite model. So let's take a look at the other shoes that we are actually here for. So this box right here doesn't have any text or doesn't have the picture. On the top it still has the Nike by you, and on the inside, on the paper, it shows Nike by you. Now, as you know, this is Air Max month, so on the 26th, the duck camos will be dropping, so I definitely will be going after those. Hopefully I can grab a pair because I think it's going to be harder than usual because a lot of people are sitting at home. More people are going to have the chance to go for the shoe. So as you can see right here, this is the design that I created, and it might look a little bit similar because I took the inspiration from the infrared Air Max 90s and kind of put my own twist to it. So let me go ahead and take the other shoe out. But basically, this design that you see right here, this black, gray, and white design right here on the mid panel, this design, and there was two other color patterns available that you could have used to put all over the shoe anywhere you want it, basically. And I kind of just chose the, you know, the simple way out, just pretty much the OG vibe with, you know, a twist to it. So basically, the infrared Air Max 90s had a gray swoosh. I put a black swoosh right here, and then also I think one of these eyelets are black. And then I put the design of the pattern right here, which wraps around on both sides of the shoe. Now, the only thing that I didn't really like about it was the fact that it didn't give me the option to make the Nike Air font black, so I might make an attempt to paint that in. But besides that, I love the way that the shoe came out. Got a mesh toe box right here, and also there is mesh along the heel collar. And on the insole of the shoe, as you see right here, this is one of the color patterns that was available, and they went ahead and put it on the insole of the shoe. And then on the left shoe, it shows Air Max 90 anniversary, and it has a big 30 right there, which represents the 30-year celebration of the Air Max 90. Hopefully I'm able to grab those duck camos. I do want the OGs, but if I'm able to grab the 2.0s for retail, that would be perfect. Like you guys, I'm chilling at home, quarantined right now, because as of 2 days ago, the governor of Las Vegas shut down everything, shut down all casinos and all non-essential businesses. So a lot of us have free time, so you might see me upload more videos. It might be a different setting because I will be going to stay with my mom just and due to the time, because A couple of days ago, somebody was robbed at gunpoint pretending to be an electrician for one of the electrical companies out here. So I'm just taking precaution. Hopefully you guys are too. Stay safe, be aware, and until then, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.